Welcome back to the U.S. Census Open Mapping Series. This is GIS Module 3, Basics of QGIS 2. In this module, you will learn how to design a basic map using U.S. Census Tiger data. You will style the data and the map for the most effective presentation. You will learn how to use the print composer to design a printed map. You will learn how to export your completed map as an image file or to be able to print it out. With breaks for self-paced learning, it should take you about 20 to 25 minutes to complete this module. Let's get started. Part 1. Symbolizing vector data. In Module 2, you added U.S. Census Tiger shapefiles to a map. If it is not already open, double-click on the QGIS desktop icon to open. Your saved project, Florida Places, should be listed under Recent Projects. Double-click on the project to open. 3 layers should be visible in the Layers panel. Right-click on the TL 2017 U.S. State layer and scroll down to Properties, or double-click on the layer to open Properties. A new window will open. This is the Layer Properties dialog box. Under Style, you can see that Fill is set to Simple. Click on Simple Fill to change the options. Click the color square next to Fill. A new window will open. Explore the different color options. You might want to choose a light color to help the other layers stand out on the map. Once you've selected a color, click OK. You can also choose to change the outline style. When you're finished, click Apply, then OK. The map will render with your color choice. Pause the video now and take a minute to explore the different options. Before styling the roads, let's take a look at the data. Open the Attribute table by selecting TL 2017 Roads and clicking the Attribute Table button, or by right-clicking and going down to Open Attribute Table. Notice the letters in the column RTTYP, which stands for Route Type. The census uses route type codes to describe the type of road. This category will be used to style the roads according to type and improve our map. To view the source of the data table, visit the link on the page. Return to the QGIS window. Double-click on the Roads layer. Layer Properties will open. This time to style a vector line file. Fill is set to Single Symbol. Click the drop-down to change the options. Select Categorized. Next to Column, use the drop-down menu to choose RTTYP. Under the white box, click Classify. The letter codes will appear. For this map, we will keep and style the I, S, and U road types. To remove the others, highlight and click the red minus button. Do the same with all except the I, S, and U rows. If you make a mistake, no problem. Click Classify again and start over. Double-click in the window to edit the text. Add Interstate Road for I, State Road for S, and US Road for U. Change the symbol for each road type by double-clicking on the line under Symbol. Give each road type its own style. Feel free to experiment with your own colors. When you're happy with the 3-line styles, click Apply and OK to see the changes on the map and in the Layers panel. Pause the video now and take a few minutes to style your roads. Now double-click on the Place layer to open the layer properties. Fill is set to Simple. Click on Simple Fill to change the options. Click the color square next to Fill to open a new window. Choose a darker color to help the places stand out on the map. Once you've selected a color, click OK. You can remove the outline by changing outline style to No Pen. This will remove any confusion with the roads. Click Apply and OK to update the layer. As you can see, places are blocking roads. Drag the layers within the Layers panel to reorder them on the map. Save your map changes. Part 2, the Print Composer. You've just styled your first map layers, but now you would like to turn this into a printed map. The QGIS window is where you work behind the scenes. The Print Composer enables you to design maps and atlases that can be printed or saved as image files. To start a new Print Composer, click Project, New Print Composer, or hold Ctrl-P. A window will open to prompt you to title the new composer. Call this one Florida Places. Click OK. A new window, the Print Composer, will open. This is your blank canvas for turning your visualized styled vector data into a printed map. Note, saving in the QGIS window does not save your Print Composer. Save early and save often. On the left side of the window, select the Add New Map button. You can hover over the buttons with your mouse to see their purpose. Click your mouse and drag to draw a rectangle on the canvas. The map that appears will look like the map of Florida you were working on in the QGIS frame. Find the Select tool by hovering over the buttons. Select the map canvas rectangle. Now select the Move Item Content tool, which enables you to move the map within the map frame. Click and hold the left mouse button down to reposition Florida within the map. You can also use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. You can also resize the scale of the map. With the map canvas selected, click on Item Properties on the right side panel. The scale box shows the current map scale. Type 1100000 and press Enter. You will see the size of the map and the scale change. Reposition the map using the Move Item tool so that it fits within the map frame. You can also change the map from the main QGIS window. Return to the main QGIS window, keeping Print Composer open. Double-click on the Places to open Layer Properties. Go to the Style tab and change the color slightly to make it stand out. Click Apply and click OK to close the box. Return to your Print Composer window. Did your map change? If not, click the Refresh View button. The places should update. Again, remember to click Save often to save your Composer changes. A title helps viewers better understand the subject of your map. Select the Add New Label button. Hold the left mouse button down to draw a rectangle in a blank part of the map canvas. You can change the text in the Item Properties panel on the right side. Click where it says QGIS and replace it with Places in Florida. Increase the size and change the font with the Font button under Appearance. Click Font to open a new window. Change the size from 10 to at least 35 and the font style to bold. When you're happy with your font, click OK. Use the Select tool to resize the rectangle to fit the text by moving the small corner white squares. You can change the alignment of the words in the Item Properties panel. You can change horizontal alignment to center and vertical alignment to middle. Resize the square if the text no longer fits. Click outside of the map canvas to unselect the text box. Click the Save button to save your changes. A legend can provide information that is essential to understanding the map content. To add a legend, select the Add New Legend tool on the left side toolbar. Click in a blank area in your Map Composer window. A legend will appear. On the right side, use the Item Properties tab under Legend and Main to format and edit your legend. Explore the different options. For example, you can remove layers from the legend or double-click on each legend item to edit the name. Let's change TL 2017-12 Roads just to Roads. Click OK. Take a second and simplify the names of the other layers. I would suggest you uncheck the box Auto Update. This means you can now update the legend manually anytime, but if you change the main QGIS map, it will not change the legend automatically. Reposition your legend using the Select tool so it is legible and balances the map. A scale bar helps viewers understand distances on a map. To add one, select the Add New Scale Bar toolbar button and click inside the map canvas. The scale bar will be added. Edit the scale bar properties in the Item Properties panel. Be sure that the scale bar is selected. Explore the options. Change the scale bar units to feet. Set segments to left equals 0 and right equals 2 by using the up and down arrows. Reposition your scale bar to balance the map title, legend, and map canvas. Save your Print Composer. A north arrow helps to orient viewers of your map. To add a north arrow, select the Add New Image button. Hold the left mouse button and draw a rectangle in a blank part of the canvas. On the right side, expand the Search Directory section to access the north arrow options. Pause the video and take a few minutes to design your printed map. Don't forget to save. When you are happy with your map, it will be time to print or export. To print your map, click the Print icon or navigate to Composer, Print. To export your map as a PDF, click the PDF toolbar button or navigate to Composer, Export as PDF in the menu. A Save dialog box will open. Navigate to your Census Data folder and save it as your last name, Module 3. To export your map as an image, click Export as Image button or navigate to Composer, Export as Image. Choose from 10 different image file formats. There are also options to change the resolution or DPI and resize the output. Save your Composer and click the X in the corner to close. Check your outputs by navigating to your Census folder and opening the PDF and/or image files. How does your map look? Congratulations! You have completed the GIS path of the U.S. Census Open Mapping Series. We thank you for your participation. Have you tried the OpenStreetMap path? If not, navigate back to the main page and get started today. If so, stay tuned for additional GIS modules coming soon.